Hi guys, welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean and rinse. We have just completed the front for this lovely customer. They were so happy with the work, they've asked us to do the back. This is a small section of the rear patio. You can see it's a very long garden and the camera angle is difficult, so we've just got a small section to watch. So we surface clean and rinsed this part of the patio, and then there's a very long path either side leading to the rear. The customer was very happy. As you can see from the before and after, there's a massive difference